Hello everyone, today we're going to be replacing all the lights on this 2019 Honda Civic Hatch Sport. We've time-stamped each light on the video in the description so you can just jump straight to the light that pertains to you. All right, let's do it. Let's get right into it. First thing you're going to do is pop the hood. And then your low beam is right here in the middle. To get to it, it's literally right here. It's very simple. Don't have to go far. And it's just a twist, pull it out, and it's connected on this wire. And you just pull down this tab right here, and it'll pop right out. Look at that. So now we'll take the new bulb. New bulbs come with gloves, which is pretty cool. I've already got gloves on, so I don't need them, but nice that they would include that. Let's compare the two. So you've got your halogen here, your LEDs here. Got a fan on this one to keep it cool. And look how futuristic they look. So we're just gonna plug it right back on our wire here. Plugs right in. Once you hear the snap, you're good to go. There it is. Not moving anywhere. Great. So we're gonna fit it right back into its socket. Twist it right in, and it's locked. So that took less than a minute. Jump to the other side. Once you finish that one, you'll be done with your low beams. And let's get in there. Your high beam's located right here. Very simple. You're just gonna twist it out and pull. There it comes. Press down, pull this bulb out. Now we're gonna take our new light. Here's our high beam. Look at that. Let's put them in. It's gonna click in just like the one before. Perfect. You hear that click? It's not going anywhere. We're gonna put it right back into the socket. Get those fittings in the right spot. And twist. You're locked in. We knocked out one side, we're gonna jump to the other side, and that's your high beams. Now we're gonna do the turn signals, which is in that same section here on the headlight, but it's up here, tucked away in the corner. So on this particular car, it's easier to reach in from the side. You give it a little twist, pull it out. Here it is. So you don't even have to unplug it, that's great. Just gotta pull on this. It's cute, but it's outdated. Now we're gonna take our AUXITO LEDs. You got your old stock halogens here, bit outdated. You got your new, cool, gonna be awesome LEDs. And same process, plug right in, just like that. Fits right in. And give it a twist, you're locked. Here it is right here. Beautiful LEDs. Now we're gonna move on to the other side and get our other blinkers set. So for this process, every car is gonna be a little different. You might need an Allen wrench, you might use a socket wrench. You're definitely gonna want a pry tool if you're prying off any of those little plastic pieces underneath your vehicle. Okay. So this is our first bolt that we need to get undone. This one takes an Allen wrench. That one. Now we're gonna move on to these two tabs right here. There's one. Now this part, you can just pull it right out. I'll get underneath here. This is where your light is. You can access your light bulb. Now I'm just gonna reach in, give it a little twist, unlock it, pull it out. You're gonna wanna pull this tab, pull that out. Move your old bulb. All right, let's check out our new LEDs. Look at that. You got cooling mechanisms, you got futuristic styling, and aluminum instead of glass and plastic. Let's put it in. We're gonna plug it back in the way it came. Hear that click and it's all set. Not coming out. Great. I'm gonna place it back into the bulb area. Once it's in, find the fitting and turn into place. Lock it in, should be vertical. You're all set. After that, it's the same process in reverse. You just wanna put your bolt and your pins back. Those little plastic pins tend to break, so it's good to have a few extra laying around. So for this job, you really only need one tool. It's a pry tool. We've got our wheel turn so you have easier access. And you want to separate this part from the light itself. Push that tab, that orange tab, and it's going to come right out. Okay, so the whole thing comes out, and from here you can just twist it off. There it is. Let's pull this out. Now let's switch to our new AUXITO LEDs. The AUXITO T10 light comes in a pack, so while you're at it, you can also replace your interior lights and your license plate light. All right, very simple. Installation, just plug and play. There it is, ready to go. Make sure it works first. Oh yeah. The reason we check is because sometimes the light might not work for a simple reason where you just have to flip it and switch polarity like this. Pull it out, flip, put it right back in. That's all you need to do. Once you got your new LED light in, you just gotta place it in the right spot and twist it on like so. It's locked, it's not going anywhere. And we're just gonna place it right back into place, just like that. And then you want to make sure your trim is also aligned the way it was supposed to be originally. There it is. Now you've officially replaced all your front lights, it's time to do the back lights. Let's get started. Pop this trunk and get access to your light hub. The tools you'll need for this job is just a simple screwdriver and a pry tool. So you've got two screws right here holding it in. Take a Phillips head, unscrew these. That's one. There we go. That's two screws. And now there's 2 points in your light here holding it in that you're gonna have to break it free. That's what we're gonna need our pry tool for. You can use a screwdriver, but you wanna be careful with that. Might scratch. Let's get this in here, get this to pop. There it is. Now that we have access to our brake light, just like any other, you're gonna twist and pull right on out. Here's your halogen, old and outdated. Now we've got our AUXITO LEDs. Here we go. Look at that, beautiful design. The side-by-side comparison. You can see the LED has a lighting source all the way around. Halogen just has the one source. Now to install, just like the original, goes right in. Find the right placement, gotta match it up just right, and twist. Installed. With our housing off, your reverse light is right here on the bottom, and give it a twist, and pull right on out. There's that old halogen. Check it out. And this is our new LED. See all the LED chips all around. It's gonna be much brighter, much stronger. Plugs right back in, just like the old one. There it is, make sure it's firm, great. And then it goes right back in. Twist again, make sure it's set, and you're all good. We're gonna replace the turn signal, which is this center one. Just like any other, you're gonna give it a twist and pull it out. There it is. Look at that old halogen. Here's our new LED light. And just like the other one, it's gonna fit right into the OEM socket. Place it in, find the right spot. There it is. And twist to tighten, click, and you're all set. You want to pop this housing back in place and put your screws back in, you'll be all set. Now that we've swapped all the exterior lights, let's go into the interior lights. Your kit's gonna come with this pry tool. It's gonna be useful. It's gonna help you take out this piece here. You're gonna want to pry it out. Here it comes. So that's actually really hot. So we're actually just gonna use the tool, push it out. All right, let's put it. Look how bright that is. Then you're gonna pop it back and you're done. So with that, you can change out all your interior lights, your side marker lights, even your license plate light. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go from the inside here and start to pry, and it's gonna come right out just like that. Easy peasy. It's important to wear gloves here because halogens get hot and might burn your fingers. This is your switch to turn off and on. Let's just take that bulb right on out. There's your old halogen, and it is hot. Let's take our new LED. All right, let's plug it back in. That simple. Okay, it's very bright. Look at the difference. I put on the plastic piece, and we'll see just how different it is. Beautiful. Now that our map lights are replaced, we're gonna move on to our dome light. You've got two prying points right here and right here. They're kind of hard to see, but I'm just gonna go for it. All right, you got your plastic piece here. We'll set that aside. Got your old halogen bulb. Just take it out, just like that. All right, let's pop this in. Okay, let's turn it on. And that is bright. Place those front ones in, click it back. And your dome light is super bright. And in under 5 minutes, the interior of your car looks much more modern, brighter, and you don't need a flashlight anymore to find what's in your car. So that's the full LED transformation on this 2019 Honda Civic hatchback. A simple set of upgrades can completely change how your car looks and performs at night. Check out AUXITO and get the right bulbs for your vehicle and start your own upgrade now.